gross power. I'm doing this to power. I'm doing this. Nothing. This is for later. You want to be movie? And dropping jacks.
Hi Zore,
Hi man.
how are you doing?
Yeah,
Hi
that's
ladies.
fine. You just ignore this guy. Okay, and let's go squat. Down. Inhale when you go down. Exhale when you go up. And let's go down, 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 down. Up. Keep it up. Now like this. Give it to this one. Breathe. Fresh oxygen here. Other leg. Okay. Double. Two. Good.
See you later, man. Bye guys.
Bye.
No Brasil, chamamos as palavras relacionadas a boas maneiras de palavras mágicas, pois elas são muito importantes para o bom relacionamento humano. Eu sou a Virgínia, criadora do Speaking Brazilian. Ligação.
Swimming and Portuguese. What a combination.
How did you recognize me?
Everybody else learns Spanish.
Portuguese is the language of the future, man. 200 million speakers for now.
Including you.
Speaking of statistics, did you know that there are more female bungee jumpers than male?
I guess I know now. But I think that we gotta do something about that.
We have to. Sure.
And by the way, man, what's with the jersey?
The thing is, the next destination for filming is Brazil.
Seriously? Can I go?
Sure. Why not?
Oh, by the way, that's that professor you got, Portuguese girl. She's nice.
That's Virginia. That's Speaking Brazilian School from New York. And you know, every year she organizes group classes in Central Park.
Whoa, so the next destination is New York after Brazil. Awesome. Man, I'm afraid that bungee let us down.
It's not Bungee's fault. Season is over. Jumping season. check this out, man.
Is that a
Let's
free
see
climbing
this.
rock or?
Yeah, I think. Just wanted to thank to all of my friends who helped me to make these videos. Hope I didn't spoil them with my lousy English and my lousy acting. I also want to thank you guys for watching, and if you have any ideas, if you know some interesting place which deserves to be filmed, let me know in the comments. If you think this all wasn't so bad, you know what button to hit. See ya!